Hello, today I'm going to show you how to clean your printer head on your HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 series printer. In this case, it's a 9012E model. If you have some problems with your print result, you should perform a maintenance job. How we perform this? The device is on, as you can see, and then we swipe from the upside down. Okay, then we go to the setup menu, and here we are. We have preferences, quiet mode, and goes down to the printer maintenance. And then we can see here, you can see clean the printer head. Nice. Now, there comes an information for us. The printer is ready to begin cleaning the print head. Really cool. This process takes between 1 and 2 minutes to complete and uses ink and up to 3 sheets of paper. I will confirm this. Now it start cleaning. Why it should use up to 3 papers? Because there are 3 levels of cleaning, okay? The first cleaning level we are joined now. And that means it will clean a little bit with not so much ink, okay? Why we have to clean the printer head? It is a cartridge system with ink. And if you not print so often, there can be a problem with drying out cartridge systems, so the ink will dry out a little bit. And then the first thing to perform is we going to clean and maintain this job here. So if the printer gives you this paper, you should have a look what's going on with the colors and with the black letters, for example. We check the print quality of the printed page. If the print quality is unsatisfactory, we try cleaning the print head again. So if in my case it looks not bad, but we go to level 2 now. Level 2 we can reach by going clean again. Clean again does not mean that it will clean again in level 1 quality. No, here, you hear it? You hear now, it's a pumping a little bit more air into it. It pumps more. And now we are at level 2. Level 2 is more ink, which applies through the print head, and this gives in the most of the time the solution of the problem. The problem can be that the color is not so bright as that it's normal, or you have lines where no lines should be, or you have in the letters some white areas or something else. And with this is the first step to make a maintenance job with the printer head. The print head is now in level 2 maintenance. This is in progress, and after this is done, we get another print document, as you can see. Here we are. Now we check the print quality of the printed page again. If the print quality is unsatisfactory, we try cleaning the printhead again. And that means we can reach level 3. To save a little bit paper, I enter this into the paper reservoir here. Okay, so here we are. We press OK, and now we can reach level 3. Clean again. The printer maintenance is now in progress again. We do not interrupt this device now. And you heard it, it was more pumping. That means now we are level 3. We reached level 3, and that is the highest level of cleaning process in this HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 series printer. And it cost us another 1 minute, for example, until the print head is cleaned. And after this, the print quality should be good again. If it is not good after this process, we can make and adjust our print head a little bit, or we have to replace the print head. But the first step before we replace the print head is replace the ink cartridge system. This is maybe the solution for that problem if there's a problem with ink. So here we are. The cleaning has been completed successfully. If the bars on the printed page still show significant streaks or uneven colors, we have to visit the support area. So that it is how we can clean the print head on an HP OfficeJet. If we go up to level 3, we push OK, and then we go to the house. We are back in menu again, and I hope you have a better print result after the print head cleaning process. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.